We harvest them so young so that the stems are still really tender and have a nice crunch, and the leaves are nice and small and soft. So they kind of taste like a sugar snap pea.
But in leaf form, a snap pea that doesn't require any shelling. These lush greens are not your typical peas in a pod. I'm willing to bet that not many of you have ever seen a pea shoot, let alone cooked with one. I know I haven't, which is why I've come here to Owl's Nest Farm in Prince George's County to learn all about this delectable little salad green. On this scorching hot summer morning, Liz Whitehurst is on a mission to give her pea shoots some relief.
Like a lot of greens, they tend to wilt pretty quickly if you don't get them cool. So in order to maintain the quality and the freshness of the pea shoots, we want to get them into our cooler as quickly as possible.
Liz harvests about 50 pounds of pea shoots a week, but that's not the only crop on her 3.5-acre farm in Upper Marlboro. She grows 40 different types of produce.
This has been a great season for tomatoes, also peppers, potatoes, lots of different kinds of greens.
While these short leafy stems don't quite look like snap peas, when it comes to taste, they share the same sweet flavor.
So they're nice and sweet. I think they're a good alternative to spinach if people want a salad green that has a little bit of sweetness to it.
If Liz allows these pea shoots to grow longer, they would produce little pods, but not the ones you'd want to bite into. These are a different variety.
They wouldn't be those tasty, juicy sugar snap peas that you see at the farmer's market.
So you're washing this all up and everything?
Yeah, well, we harvested them earlier this morning and cooled them off in the water, and now we got to use this salad spinner to dry them.
Can I have a crank at it?
Sure.
And you know what? We should also try to make some ice cream at the same time. A day like this would be wonderful. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, yeah. What are the difficulties of bringing something as delicate as this to the market?
Well, mainly we just want to keep them cool from the second we harvest them to the second we deliver them. We want to make sure that the temperatures are as low as we can get.
And after a few spins, the pea shoots are dry and ready to be packed and delivered to a restaurant in Washington, D.C. So here's a 5-pound bag of pea shoots. I don't know what to do with these, but we're going to go over to Timber Pete's and find out how they use them. Well, Danny, I walked in here 30 minutes ago with a bag of the pea shoots. You're already making some dishes. This is fabulous.
This is a great garnish, and it has amazing flavors, and it just like works perfect with the cream cheese and this beautiful sesame bagels that I baked this morning.
I saw you baking them. They're beautiful. And you have a nice salad here. It looks really healthy. What's in it?
Yeah, so this is a seasonal salad, and then we put nectarines, cherry tomatoes, I fry some shallots, and it has purple basil as well.
Oh, that looks great. And a nice little dressing here. I'm going to just try a little bit. Now, did you design the dressing to work with the pea shoots?
So you want something bright and like refreshing, so right now we have a spicy honey vinaigrette.
It's really good. It works with the pea shoots so well. They got great flavor.
Yes, thank you.
Well, we're going to put the recipe on our website at mpt.org/farm so you can try it at home. For the Local Buy, I'm Al Spoler.
Thanks, Al. And for you at home, visit us at www.mpt.org/farm for all our Local Buy recipes. And if you want to look behind the scenes, don't forget to check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.